Now coming to the fourth question. Fourth question is very important from the examination point of view. First of all, read the question from the book. Pause your video here and read the question. The taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer the fare is 8 and for the subsequent distance it is rupees 5 per kilometer. Taking the distance covered as x kilometers and total fare as rupees y, and write a linear equation. Total fare is equal to y, total distance is equal to x. You need to frame an equation. Total fare means total money that a person has to pay, means fare for first kilometer plus fare for rest of kilometers is equal to total fare. For the first kilometer, what is the fare? It is given rupees 8 plus, if the total distance is x, 1 kilometer, total distance is x kilometer, 1 kilometer fare is already taken. So how many kilometers are left? Let's take an example. If the total distance is 10, 1 kilometer fare is 8. Now what is the rest of the kilometers? 10 minus 1 is 9. In this case, total distance is x. 1 kilometer we have already taken. Rest of the kilometers is x minus 1. And for this distance, the fare is rupees 5. So multiply it with 5 is equal to total fare. Total fare is given y. Solve it. 8 plus 5x minus 5 is equal to y. So 5x plus 3 is equal to y. So 5x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. I just rearranged the equation here and got the value. So this is your required linear equation. Now you have to draw the graph from this. I think you can easily draw the graph. First make the table and then get the values. Put those values in the graph and you will get a straight line. Coming to the question number 5. Like we have question number 5, from the choice given below choose the equation whose graphs are. Means for the first graph we have to choose which equation it is representing. There are 3 points, minus 1, 1, 0, 0 and 1, minus 1. Let's take an example. 3 points that are given to you are minus 1, 1, 0, 0 and 1, minus 1. As you can see, there are 3 points given here, this and this. And I am taking the first equation, that is y is equal to x. What I will do, I will put these points, these 3 points here. First point is minus 1, 1. What is the value of y? 1. What is the value of x? Minus 1. These are not equal, hence this is not the equation. Now take the second equation, x plus y is equal to 0. Put the value, put the first in place of x, minus 1, in place of y, 1. Comes out to be 0, it satisfies. Now taking the second point, 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. It is also satisfying, correct. Third point, 1 plus minus 1, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. It is satisfying the third point as well. Means the equation must satisfy all the points given in the graph. Hence we can say it is the equation whose graph is given here. Second part is same, you just have to put the values and get the points.